Hello again, Jenkins here. Many thanks for choosing this delayed downloads plugin for your website. Allow me to perform a demonstration on the ins and outs of this nifty little gadget. My mainframe database has already installed the plugin on this site. Now, if I go to a post where this item is installed, the plugin will allow me to create a link to a free download or any other such freebie. Should somebody click on that link, a pop-up box will appear. However, the download shall not begin immediately, but it will coerce people into waiting for however many seconds I wish them to wait for before the download begins. I just love suspense, don't you? When the counter reaches 0, the download will automatically begin, and the visitor will also be given the option to manually download the item should their download experience technical issues. This pop-ups function is brilliantly twofold, as I shall explain. While your visitor waits for the download to begin, you may capture their attention with some content that you've added here, and perhaps even ask them to subscribe to your list. Not only is this an extremely powerful tool if you are offering a giveaway, but it is also a splendid way to build your list. So let's get on to the inner workings of this neat little gizmo, shall we? Let's return to our dashboard. The installation is straightforward, and you would install it just like you would any other plugin. Go to the plugin tab and click New. Then click on Upload and choose the upload file for delayed downloads. Once the plugin has installed, you will notice a new item in the menu entitled Delayed Downloads. Please click on it. Now, you may notice that I have a couple of experimental pages here to demonstrate the functionality of this plugin. In the first example you saw, I was offering a free report. However, the Delayed Downloads plugin may be used in a variety of different ways. Has Stark jammed my central processing unit? We always seem to have so much variety. Perhaps you are selling a downloadable item. You might want to encourage viewers to review your terms and conditions, or you might want to utilize it to upsell your product. So let me show you how to do that right away. Click on Add New Download Item. Let's name it Product Number 1 for illustration purposes. In the content box, add some text as you would see here. My grammar checker has seemed to have encountered a glitch, so please excuse the tardy copy displayed. You may also wish to add an image file to link to your sales page for your upsell product. I shall choose this image here and add it to my post, and make sure the link URL directs to my sales page, upsell link, or the like. Remember to update the image. We now have the image with its link here in our content box. Next, I shall insert the URL of the product that I have sold my customer. Below, you will see that we have a few options available to us with regards to where the content should be positioned. In this instance, let's place the content at the top, before the counter, in order to draw attention, and we shall make the color of the content a stark red. Now let's keep the customer in suspense for 15 seconds, just long enough for us to draw their attention to our upsell product. Proceeding. The next section we see here is relevant should you wish to add an autoresponder. In this example, it is not necessary to add an autoresponder unless you feel so inclined. However, should you be offering a free product or download and wish to collect leads, you may simply paste an autoresponder code here, as demonstrated. Once you have done that, you will be required to fill out some advanced fields that the plugin requires. However, there usually isn't any need to concern yourself with such trivialities. We are also then able to change the labels of the name and email fields, as well as the name of the button. For example, I may add Grab Yours Now. I see the redhead still has not sorted out the glitch in my grammar interface. Then, should we choose, we are also able to change the button and text colors to something appropriately suitable to the colors of our page or theme. Below that, we have a custom CSS box for those CSS brainiacs among you. As I mentioned earlier, these fields are not really necessary for this example, so let's clear them, shall we? Then, let's save and publish our post. Before you add your post to your page, I think that it makes sense to review it as I have done here. Now, let's return to posts. You may add the Delayed Download plugin to any post or landing page that you wish. Let's assume that this page is a download page that visitors will land on after they've purchased their product. We may add some relevant text. For example, "Thank you for your purchase," followed by a link stating "Download your order now." Then let's highlight this text and click on the delayed download counter icon here. A pop-up menu will appear asking you to select the download item of your choice. Remember, we named our example download item number 1. Let us select that and click Insert. You will notice that your relevant text is now flanked by the correctly formatted shortcode. Now, when we update this post and view it, you will see your download button highlighted. As we click on that link, the pop-up will appear together with your message and upsell link. As the counter hits 0, the download begins. Technology never ceases to amaze me. Should you choose, you may also switch your download purchase hyperlink to an image. Let's highlight the download text here and the shortcode. Remove it and select an image. The redhead has already created and uploaded a download button image for us, so I will select that and insert it into the post. I do not wish to link the download button, so let's remove the link URL. Then I shall highlight the image, click on the delayed download button, select the download item. As you would recall, it was named product number 1, and click Insert. You will now notice that the image is wrapped with the necessary link shortcode. Once we update our post and view it, you will see the nifty download button, and when we click it, the self-same pop-up menu appears, directing many happy and satisfied customers to your spiffing upsells. Jenkins, offline.